Today I'm going to be treating some stains on my husband's work clothing. He works in a warehouse and he does a lot of moving things around. And so as you can see, this safety vest has a lot of stains on them. So I'm going to pre-treat the stains with my Dawn dishwashing liquid, along with, as you can see, I just only had a little. Like I said, I'm very frugal. I try to use up as much as I possibly can before I move on to a new bottle of anything. So I'm getting ready to throw this one away and move on to this next bottle. Of course I won't need all of this for this vest. So I'm gonna mix half and half. I have this little container from the laundry detergent, so I'll do half with the Dawn and the other half is gonna be some white vinegar. Then I'll mix that together like a little paste, and then especially on the hard stains, I think these are ink stains, so I'm just gonna test this out to see if this solution gets rid of the stains. Yeah, and then I'll take the little toothbrush and kind of scrub in these little spots. And then I'm gonna let it soak overnight, and then I'll run it through the washing machine to see how this works out. All right, stay tuned. So now that I've finished pre-treating the stains, I'm going to soak the shirts in this 10 quart 9.5 liter bucket. I'm going to add a little of my Tide Ultra Oxy liquid detergent into this bucket with some water and just let it soak overnight. I only had 3 shirts. One is actually a vest and the other 2 is actual shirts. So I'm gonna let that let that soak overnight, and then I'll run it through the washing machine. And I'll show you guys that step. I'm gonna add some vinegar to the laundry detergent section and just run that through one time, and then after that I will go ahead and run it through a normal cycle without any laundry detergent, and then I'll show you guys the finishing results. Stay tuned. Just as I suspected, these ink stains in the vest did not come out. Those are hard-end stains, but it looks much better than what it did yesterday. So some of the other stains came out. That's the vest. Let's check the actual shirt. Looking pretty good. So the shirt came out pretty good. Those stains are gone. Alrighty. So this is the new process that I will be doing to get my husband's stains out of his work shirts. Alright, comment below what you guys think. If you guys try this.
What are you guys doing? Hey, it's ZT.
Yes, my son ZT.
What you guys doing?
Alright, comment below if you want to, how does it work out for you with this process?
Hey.
Alright, take care.